I'm the grandfather of inspiration. Today I invite you to a special journey into the life of Henry Ford, one of the cornerstones of the American automotive industry and the pioneer of the Industrial Revolution. Ford is not just a businessman, he is a visionary, innovator, and social reformer who left an indelible mark on the automotive world. Are you ready to discover how Ford has become a driving force not only in business, but also in shaping the future of industries? Early life and youth. Henry Ford was born on July 30th, 1863, into a farming family in Greenfield Township, Michigan. Ford, who was introduced to farming thanks to his father, became interested in machinery and technology at an early age. Repairing and operating machines became his first passion and paved the way for his future endeavors. Early automotive experiences and ATVs. After discovering his passion for automobiles, Ford designed his first self-propelled vehicle, known as the quadricycle, in 1896. This marked the beginning of his contributions to the automotive world. Model T and the mass production revolution. The introduction of the Ford Model T in 1908 was a monumental moment in the automotive industry. In addition to its affordability and durability, Ford revolutionized the industry by changing the way automobiles reached the public by embracing the concept of mass production. Assembly line innovation and modern production techniques. Ford, which implemented the assembly line to speed up the production process, reduce costs and make cars more accessible, became a leader in introducing modern production techniques to the automotive industry. Social reforms and Fordism. Ford's influence extended beyond business to social reform. He implemented a model known as Fordism that revolutionized industrial labor by introducing better wages, shorter working hours, and standardization for workers. Personal and professional challenges. Ford's life was filled not only with professional successes, but also personal challenges. But these difficulties did not stop him from achieving his goals. Henry Ford's legacy and influence. Beyond his contributions to the automotive industry, Ford is remembered for his leadership style, entrepreneurial spirit, and social impact. Today. Yes, let's repeat what we learned today. Youth and early years. Henry Ford was born in Michigan in 1863 and grew up in a farming family. Passion for automobiles and ATVs. Ford's initial interest in machines and technology began in 1896 when he designed his first self-propelled vehicle, the quadricycle. Model T and the mass production revolution. The introduction of the Ford Model T in 1908 marked a revolutionary period in the industry with its affordability and the introduction of mass production, assembly line innovation, and modern production techniques. Ford introduced the assembly line to speed production, reduce costs, and make cars more accessible. Social reforms and Fordism. Ford's social reform initiatives included better wages, shorter working hours, and implementation of the Fordism model. Personal and professional challenges. The personal and professional challenges Ford faced demonstrate his resilience and determination. Henry Ford's legacy and influence. It highlights the ongoing impact of Ford's legacy by examining its lasting impact on the automotive industry, business, and society. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. I love you, my friends.